Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw ice cream. Let's start drawing.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was
Trying to draw in
white
paint
as
with
snow.
me.
And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed
Let's draw watermelon
her to school
popsicle.
one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and
Great
play.
job.
It made the children
Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint.
And so the teacher
Brown.
turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned
I like
it
ice
out,
cream so
still
much.
it lingered
Do you like
there.
too?
And waited patiently about,
Purple.
patiently about, and waited patiently about till
Yellow.
it appeared.
Blue.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so.
Green.
Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager
Red.
children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you
Pink.
know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Ice creams are so sweet and easy to eat.
Mary
Yellow.
had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Green. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Orange. They look so delicious. See you on the next video.